In this video we can learn about eyedropper tool and color sampler tool in Photoshop. Eyedropper tool used to pick a color for further use in Photoshop from any images. And color sampler tool, it is showing a color measurement with the digital values where the what are the value will be there on images and document. For example, go to toolbar, right click your mouse button, choose eyedropper tool. This is the process. Now see here, if you want to pick any color from this image for further use, for example, if you want to use here some particular color from this image, choose eyedropper tool. Then which color you need, which color you want, just click on that color. Here in background, set background color, it will be set. Then go to your document, you can fill using the colors. So select that layer, you can use, we can fill same color, we can fill. See, this is the future about eyedropper tool. Next, this is the one. Go here, right click your mouse button, then choose color sampler tool. How it will show digital values on the image. Just click where you want to check color values. Click just that icon. So it is showing information. It's showing. This is the value, color value, digital values. It is shown. Anyway, so if you don't want, you can clear. Again, if you want to check, just click first one, see, second one, third one. It's increasing. How many points are there? 1, 2, 3. So it's showing digital values of color in this image where there is a particular point. So once you click that point sample, it will be shown. That is the future color sampler and eyedropper tool in Photoshop.